Hi, Carly Cooper coming at you with another video on how to get your friends and family enrolled with doTERRA. A lot of people who don't want to necessarily build the business, but they want to share with friends and family, they often ask, well, wouldn't it just be easier for me to just order for them or order off of my own account? And I want to tell you that it's not a great idea, and here's why. It's better for you and it's better for them for you to set them up with their own wholesale account. And it's so easy, anybody can do it, whether you're, again, looking to build the business or you just want to casually share and get some of your oils paid for free. So it's better for them because they're now going to be able to take advantage of the 25% off retail wholesale pricing. And they'll also be able to get their oils for free when they decide to join with the Loyalty Rewards monthly order. Now that's optional. There's other videos talking about that, but it is a great way for them to get into the oil lifestyle and also be able to earn a lot of their oils back and other free product. So it also gets them moving towards getting 30% back on all of their products as well when they're with the Loyalty Rewards. So let me show you how to quickly enroll somebody and sign them up with their own wholesale account. So in the Files tab, you're going to find a trifold, okay? So you can print that off and it gives them information about what doTERRA is, how to use the oils safely, the 3 different ways. It talks about the top 10 oils. And then on the back, there's different starter kits that they can get started with, or they can just set themselves up with a wholesale membership account. And then it's got the information on how to do that, how to log in, how to sign up. They would sign up under you. So you would provide them either, you would either go to your own website and enroll them, or you would go to doTERRA.com and they could put in your ID number, okay? And that's how it links to you, and then you get commission off of everything that they buy moving forward. So once they have their own account, then you can send them, I have my oils, now what? So this is a great information sheet of just little things that they can get started doing. It also has the recipes, so different diffuser blends, different roller blends, just to get them going. And this is also found in the Files tab on this page. So you can just send them that as well. You can then also tag them on this FAQ page in posts 1, 2, and 3. And that's going to help them get started with supplies, roller blends, resource books, spray bottles, all the things that they need to really just start using their essential oils. So it's so easy. You add them to this group, you tag them in posts 1, 2, and 3. Then when they also become a member, that's going to allow them to be part of our oil community, to add them to our essential oils groups, whether it's my Carly Cooper Essential Oil Education group or our global team, our Whole Fit Essential Oil Community group. They will then have access to that, which is a huge wealth of information. So if they have any questions about essential oils, there's an answer for it. And then they feel like they're part of something. So those are all the benefits of setting somebody up with their own account. Plus, that way you don't have to collect payment, you don't have to chase them for money, you don't have to deliver product. I mean, who really wants to do that? The best thing that you can do for yourself and for your friends and family is set them up with their own account. If you have any questions, please reach out, comment below, yeah, happy oil.